barbecue has caught on fire. Morphle, morph into a fire truck. Okay, Morphle, use your fire hose to extinguish the flames. Well done, Morphle.
Hello? We got a call about a barbecue fire that has to be put out.
Don't worry about it, ma'am. Our personal fire truck, Morphle, already put out the fire.
Wow, that's a beautiful fire truck you have there.
Yes, it's my magic pet. He's called Morphle, and my name is Mila.
I'd say we could use a living fire truck at the fire station. Wouldn't you agree, firefighter Sylvia?
I completely agree, firefighter Gerben.
Would the two of you be interested in joining the volunteer fire department?
You already are a splendid fire truck, Morphle. But the one thing you still need is a ladder.
Morphle, add a ladder to the fire truck.
Wonderful! Morphle is the best fire truck we have ever had. But Morphle, we also need a phone in here, so we can receive calls from people that need help. Yes, just like that. Ah, our first call. Hi, this is firefighter Sylvia speaking. What is your emergency? Oh no. Really? We just got a call from someone whose cat got stuck in the tree.
Huh? I thought you said the cat was stuck in a tree.
Look, there's a lady in the tree.
Wow, how did you get up there, lady?
My little kitty cat Honey Bunch Fruity Cup climbed up in the tree, and I thought it couldn't get out, so I climbed up to save it, but then it just jumped down, and now I'm too scared to climb down myself.
Morphle, we need the ladder now.
You did very well, Morphle. Hey, another call. Hi, this is firefighter Sylvia speaking. What is your emergency? A barn fire? Morphle, use the fire hose.
Great, Morphle! It's working! Yay!
Help!
Huh?
Help me! My little kitty cat Honey Bunch Fruity Cup climbed the barn this time, and I got stuck again.
Morphle, use your ladder again.
This time she's too high for the ladder to reach.
How can we get her down?
Mila, could you ask Morphle to morph into a life net?
Sure. Morphle, morph into a life net.
Okay, lady. Jump.
We saved you again, lady. That must have been really scary. You better take a bit of a rest.
Yep, I agree.
But I can't take a rest. My little kitty cat Honey Bunch Fruity Cup climbed up in that tree. I have to go save it.
want to be a stunt biker when I grow up.
Morphle biker, morphle biker.
Okie dokie dokie, Morphle. I'm gonna try to do the first trick. It's called a wheelie. It's when you only ride on your back wheel. Hey, this is really hard.
Ice cream.
Huh? No, Morphle. We can't get ice cream right now. I want to practice my tricks.
Ice cream, ice cream.
Morphle.
Ice cream.
No,
ice
Morphle.
cream.
Wait. Morphle, I want to practice my tricks. Look, the ice cream man's crossing the bridge. And now the bridge is opening. You can't follow him, Morphle. Morphle, let's go back and practice our tricks.
Ice cream, ice cream.
Wow, Morphle, we made it.
Ice cream.
Morphle, look, the ice cream man went onto that ferry. That's way too far to jump. Morphle, what are you doing? Wow, Morphle, we're biking on the water. Look, the ice cream truck is leaving the ferry. Now he's riding up a mountain road. Morphle, I have an idea. Morph spikes out of your wheels so you can ride up the side of the mountain. Hi, we would like 2 ice creams.
Yes, of course. 2 ice creams coming up.
Oh no!
Oh no, the eagle has stolen my ice creams.
Morphle, morph your wheels into propellers.
Ice cream.
Haha! Look, there is the eagle. Give it back, you fluffy thief! Oh no! Morphle, go down after it! I almost have it, Morphle!
Hey, that's Mila and Morphle on TV. Whoa, little girl, that was an amazing trick. You deserve this award for the #1 stunt biker of the world.
Wow!
So, after becoming the world champion, what trick are you going to learn next?
Next, I'm going to learn how to do a wheelie.
Huh?
Bye-bye!
This is amazing! A little girl and a giant red monster truck just won the race. Here is your award.
Morphle win, Morphle win.
Oh no, Morphle, watch out! Morphle, you smashed the award. That was a lot of fun, Morphle.
Morphle on a magic track, Morphle on a magic track.
Okay, we're home now. Morphle, morph back into yourself.
Morphle no wanna morph back, Morphle wanna be monster truck.
But then you won't fit in the house. You're just too big.
Morphle wanna be monster truck.
Okay. Night night, Morphle.
Morphle, what have you done? You smashed the whole front yard. Get out. Get out, get out, get out. And now you almost smashed those cars.
Morphle, you should morph back into yourself before you smash everything.
Morphle a monster truck.
You cannot stay a monster truck, Morphle. You're way too big.
I have an idea. Morphle, why don't you morph into a baby monster truck? Then you can still be a monster truck, but you won't smash stuff anymore.
Oh, Morphle a baby monster truck.
Yay!
Yes, that is much better.
Yes, Morphle, go faster!
Watch where you go, baby monster truck. I have important stuff to do. I have to smash these old cans so they can be properly recycled.
But Daddy, Morphle could smash those cans.
Morphle smash.
Okay, Morphle, smash them.
Thank you for smashing all the cans, baby monster truck Morphle. You are such a big help.
Yeah.
What's wrong, Morphle? You seem sad.
Morphle like a smash, but Morphle wanna smash it big. Morphle wanna smash the cars.
But Morphle, you can't smash cars because cars still have to be used. They don't have to be recycled like old cans.
Yeah, Morphle we know.
Well, actually, cars do have to be recycled.
Really?
Yep, at the junkyard. When cars don't work anymore, they're brought here so that something new can be made from the old metal. But before they can be recycled, they have to be smashed.
Yes, Morphle, we have a lot of old cars for you to smash.
Morphle smash. Morphle smash.
Go ahead, Morphle! Smash them! Morphle, morph into a ship! Yay!
Robert Ducky, I just love a warm, relaxing bath. It's so relaxing that I'm almost falling asleep.
Watch out!
We don't want to watch out. We are pirates, and pirates will splash anything they want. Let's go, Pirate Phil. Let's find some treasure.
Morphle, that dolphin is saying the whole city is overflowing with water. Wow! Look, Morphle! The whole city is flooded. This is amazing, Morphle! Daddy!
This is all my fault. I was taking a bath and I left the tap running. And now the whole city is overflowing with water.
Please give it back.
No, I won't. Haha.
Those pirates are taking everyone's toys.
We should get the children their toys back. But the pirates look so scary. I'm too afraid to get close to them.
Whoa, whoa, the bubbles got in my eyes.
Hey, that gave me an idea. Now start slapping the water, Morphle. Make a lot of bubbles. Now blow them to the pirates.
Hey, what's going on?
Okay, Morphle. Now add a grabby hand harpoon to the boat so we can safely get the toys back. 1, 2, 3, fire! Yay! Now, let's close the tap. Time to morph into yourself again, Morphle. Oh no! Look, Morphle! Someone lost their cat. Morphle, morph into a pterodactyl. That's a flying dinosaur. Yeah! From up here, it's much easier to find the missing cat. Yeah, Morphle! There it is! Come here, kitten. We will bring you home. Hi, Daddy. What are you doing?
Hi, Mila. I'm hanging up this picture because one of the magic pets went missing. It's a Kong. It's a very big ape.
Ah, we can go look for it, Daddy. From up high on the back of Morphle the pterodactyl, I can see all around the whole city.
Huh, that sounds like a great idea.
Okay, Morphle. So, we're looking for a giant ape.
I'm so sorry, Kong. We don't have more bananas. Please don't smash our store.
Hey, Kong, we found you.
Found you.
You have to come back to the Magic Pet store, silly.
No.
Huh? Why not?
Kong, go hide again.
Oh, you liked searching for the Kong.
Hide and seek.
Yeah, let's play hide and seek. Okay, let's count. 8, 9, 10. Ready or not? Here we come. Okay, Morphle. Let's fly up in the air. Where could the Kong be? Are you here? No, not here. Haha! We found you!
Again.
Now it's our turn to hide, and you try to find us. Aha! I know. We can hide in the junkyard, behind the old cars. This seems like a good spot to hide. Huh? Hey! Why are you crying? I'm crying because I was playing hide and seek with my friends, and I was hiding for a very long time, but they just stopped playing and left me here all alone. Aw, that's so mean. Yes, that's a great idea. You can play hide and seek with us instead. Really? Yeah. You go hide, and we will definitely come find you.
Are you still hiding? We don't want to play with you anymore.
Yeah, I'm not hiding for you. I'm hiding for my new friends.
Really? Where are your new friends then?
Ha! We found you! The Kong says, this time we hide, and you go look for us. Okay, but can I fly on the pterodactyl's back then? Of course!
What?
Bye, guys! I am Space Cadet Mila.
I'm Space Cadet Morphle.
Space Cadet Morphle, use your magical morphical powers to morph into a spaceship. Yay! Space Cadet Morphle, ready for liftoff. 1, 2, 3.
Morphle fly.
Let's go say goodbye to Daddy before we go into space. To Mommy and Daddy's Magic Pet store.
Daddy!
Oh, pleasure to see you too, Morphle.
We're just coming to say goodbye, Daddy. We're going up into space. Bye, Daddy.
Mila, Morphle, wait!
Yes?
Will you guys try to find one of those space pets for me? That would be great for our Magic Pet store.
Did you hear that? We have a mission, Morphle. We're going to find a space pet. Bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
Okay, Morphle. Go higher and higher. Wow! This is outer space. Let's go that way. Are there any pets here? Hello? Space pets? Space is so big. It's gonna be difficult to find pets. I think we need a pet finding navigator. Follow that arrow. Aha! I see the space pet. But he looks like he's scared of something. He's scared of a space lion. Try to get a little bit closer, Morphle. But make sure the space lion doesn't see us.
Hello, welcome to my planet.
Oh, hello, Space Mister. We're just passing your planet because we were looking for a space pet, and we found one. But he's captured by that space lion.
That thing that you call a space lion is called a lumbostrapskin. They are the grumpiest, unfriendliest animals in the galaxy. I think it wants to eat the space pet.
Oh no! We will save it then, right, Morphle?
Yeah.
On Earth, animals love chasing after balls.
What is a ball?
You don't know what a ball is? Morphle, morph into a ball. Now, lure away the big scary cat. Come with us, Space Pet. We're saving you from the lion. Yay! We found a space pet. Let's bring him to Mommy and Daddy's Magic Pet store. Wait a minute. The space pet has a collar. It says, "Please return to Mr. Go on the planet Go." This space pet already belongs to someone. Morphle, find the planet Go.
Thank you for bringing back my dear pet. I missed him very much. What planet are you two from?
We're from the planet Earth.
Ah, the planet Earth, you say? Well, I have a gift for you. You see, my pet recently had a litter of puppies, and I've been looking for a suitable planet for them to go to. And since Earth has people as kind and helpful as the two of you, I think that planet would make a great home for them.
Wow! Space puppies!
Mission absolutely completely accomplished, Mila and Morphle. You didn't just find me one space pet. You found 6. And we will find a good home for them.